Hello everyone! For those who are new to my videos, I am Ralys. I'm the owner of Radiance Wellness Spa in Santa Monica, California, and I'm also a developer, and I make it by hand, a skincare product line, Ralys Skin Health. Today we will be making almond milk. Well, this is not the first time that I make almond milk, but usually I just soak the almonds, skin them, and then I put it in a blender. But in that way, you have the fiber still there, and it settles at the bottom if you don't drink it quickly. And recently, well, not so recently actually, several months ago, we purchased a new juicer, Nama juicer. And my daughter Christina and I were wondering, like, how do they make the nut milks? Because they do say that you can make a nut milks. And Christina made her nut milk a few days ago, and I decided today to make mine for the first time. So in this video, you and I are making this nut milk with the Nama juicer the first time together. Okay, so we're gonna use only 2 ingredients. So the first is soaked and skinned almonds, they're organic, and filtered water, and that's it. So we'll see how it's gonna come out. Jojo. Hello. And I believe this is it. We got almond milk. The almonds look very dry. And I'm planning to use that fiber left over from almonds in my vegan muffins. Makes great breakfast with some fresh blueberries. And this is the milk. Can't wait to taste it. Oh, it looks like all times glass bottle milk. Especially that they made it for the first time, I would like my husband, who is filming this video, to try this milk with me. Cheers, Victor. And cheers. And cheers, everybody. I think this is the best almond milk I ever tasted. And it is just 2 ingredients. Now, if I'm gonna be adding that to my coffee or making a smoothie, of course, I'm gonna add the other ingredients as something to sweeten or something, you know, the superfood powders would go very well in that. And that would be a base of my super food smoothie that we make almost every morning. I'm so excited. We did it. My husband Victor approved it. Okay, until next time.